I smell trees.
Hey, we're done with the banking transaction. What did you need?
Look who's here. Hello. Here. What are you doing? Here. In the back.
Of course it does.
Of course. Of course.
Tell her.
Yeah.
Oh.
I know, Papa hold them for you, and then...
Is that what it is?
Yeah, he'll
Special later?
eat it in the truck or something, huh? You want it? I'll take it. Here. I just gotta do her
Now
thing.
we're going to take it? We don't take from strangers.
I guess not. Don't take candy from strangers, right?
That must be, hi there, how are you? That must be what it is. They just don't take it from strangers.
They don't believe us. We're putting it on YouTube.
You don't put it on YouTube. Put it on Facebook.
Who don't believe you? For what?
Then he goes to the bank and makes a withdrawal. Papa's got the other one.
Thank you.